Trading a funded account is a big game changer, but most of the traders blow it before they even get started. So how do you not just get funded, but actually keep your account and make real money? So stick around and I'll break it all down for you. And hey, if you're serious about leveling up your trading, drop your comment below and tell me what's your biggest challenge in the prop trading right now. I would love to hear it. How to get funded without risking your own money first. Most traders rush into the funding challenges and they blow up fast. But here is a pro tip. Test first and then go live. Before jumping into the real challenge, you can test everything on a free demo account with zero risk, no money spent. You can fine-tune your strategy, test it with the condition, and only start when you are ready. Pick a solid prop firm like a HyroTrader and you can keep up to 90% of your profit. Focus on consistency over huge wins. 1 to 2% daily is really enough. Control your risk. Maximum half to 1% per trade, or you are out before you even begin. If this tip already helped you, smash that like button so more traders can see it. Keeping your funded account. Now let's talk about keeping your account. Here's the brutal truth. Most traders lose their funded accounts within a month. Why? Overtrading, revenge trading, and the lack of the discipline. So to keep your account, you need to stick to your plan. No impulsive YOLO trades. Withdraw the profits regularly. Don't just compound everything. Trade like a professional, and if you wouldn't risk your own money on that trade, don't take it. Also, if you're finding this insight helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got more game-changing trading tips to coming your way. HyroTrader offers total flexibility. You can trade on any crypto exchange. This is the biggest advantage of the modern crypto prop trading. You are not locked into one exchange. You can trade on any crypto exchange you prefer by just connecting your account through the API connection. Whether it's Bybit, Binance, or another major exchange, you get full flexibility. Just connect your account and start trading. There's no restrictions, no headache. Any crypto exchange with the API connection. Now drop the comment and let me know which exchange you prefer to trading on. Let's see what the community thinks. The secret of the long-term success. Want to trade full-time and keep your funding for years? Then you have to build these habits. Trade with a routine. Random pumps aren't a strategy. Keep journal. Track your wins, losses, mistakes, and improve. Have a patience. Real success comes from the compounding over the time, not from the gambling. And by the way, if you haven't liked this video yet, now is the time. It helps more traders get these tips and keeps you updated with the best trading strategies. So if you want to get funded, keep your account, and make real money, follow these steps. And if you are looking for a solid crypto prop firm, check out HyroTrader. You can test on a demo first, trade on any exchange via API, and keep up to 90% of your profits. And subscribe now for more trading insight. Drop the comment below with your thoughts and join our Discord. So let's get you funded and trading like a pro. I see you in the next video, guys.